हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर न्यू ब्लॉग। आज जो ब्लॉग में आप सबको स्वागत करते हैं। आई होप आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे। तो today we are going to show second to the in party. So let's go. What becomes? It's all good about goodness. So it's all you know guys. What everything यहाँ पे बारिश हुआ था, लेकिन क्या होगा नहीं मुझे भी नहीं पता। लेकिन हाँ, सब कुछ परमेश्वर करेगा। वो जो उसका मन करना चाहता है वो करेगा। नागालैंड तो जो असम से आया ना, वो वीडियो ऐसा ब्लॉगिंग है ना, उसको एडिट करते समय बहुत ऐसा स्पेस नहीं है ना, बहुत ऐसा टाइम लगा, इसलिए मैं ऐसा मॉर्निंग में ब्लॉग नहीं बना पाया। और हाँ, जो आप कुछ देख रहे हैं ये सब कुछ ऐसा क्या बोलते हैं वो है वो डॉन बॉस्को स्कूल है, ये गुवाहाटी का। ये देखिए कितना अच्छा है नज़ारा। पहले भी आया था हमने यहाँ पे बहुत ऐसा यहाँ पे रहने के लिए, और हैप्पी हो गया इस तरह का। से बारिश हो गया था ना, इसलिए बहुत बिके है ये सब बारिश की वजह से। और यहाँ पे शो करेगा, ये देखिए यहाँ पे शो करेगा। दिस इज द प्लेस। मच्छर मरते हैं। हो गया आइए, इतना सारा खून पी ले ये देखिए इतना सारा। Oh brother, wow, play, wow, hey man. Actually now we all brothers, we're going to take some like bamboo. We're going to take also all you know, this Don Bosco is all about known for engineer school. It's all you see here, machine things are there. Some are practicing and some are doing something and all. For engineers it is best the way in Guwahati. It's the best school. So we're going to town some work and we'll go bring their work, and time is not even. Oh, we are going so slow, man. Why? Lower the bank. No, actually, just kidding, man. You, Laura. Actually, what you know, guys? What when we came here, it was too like I'm feeling really good and where. And this guys, I don't know how it is feeling, man. Bro.
Hey,
tell about your
English.
Okay,
Don't say American.
So now we are going to take some bamboos and let's go. What happens?
Nonsense.
I don't know what's the nonsense. Here's the way where we're going to take our destiny, some bamboos and all. Come, let's go. Everything is ready, guys. Now it's ready to show our second. The time is almost going to become 5:30. So 5:30 we'll be going to showing, and this is the what? Don Bosco ground field. Wow, they're playing. Others are playing. What do you know, guys? Others are playing football, and others are playing that side cricket. So our what you know, guys? Okay. Oi! Everybody come! She's calling. Our concert to show here. Outside money. Here. It'll be here right there. So let's. हो गया ना प्लस का गाइस, अभी होने वाला है शो। वहाँ पे नहीं जैसे लाइक जा सकते हैं, ऐसा बोलेगा कि सबमिट करो ऐसे मोबाइल का सबमिट करो ऐसे बोलेगा। तो लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है ना, बस हम लोग यहाँ पे इसको I will keep my mobile in the bag, so I don't take back. So our program is going to start now. Okay, let's go, guys. Everything is dressing up, so we are ready to go there, and we'll be dressing, and we'll put makeup and all, and we'll be dressed there. Okay, let's go. Our program is going to be started. I don't know wear any dress, but somehow I'll wear dress. So here program. So guys, I took my this one dress, and now I'm going to change my dress in a room. So I came in my room. Hamara room. Hamara room, man. This is our room, man. It's a room. So I'll not change here. There one room is there. I'm going to change. It's my dress here. I got this some dress. It's a contract one. So I have to wear this one. I have to show. Actually, my role is Ezekiel. I'm going to show that one. Actually, I got an Emmaus, but that Emmaus scene was cancelled. Now I don't know what, because of light system, because one of light focusing light is not there. That's why it's cancelled our scene. But I'm very sad. But even though, what to do? Okay, guys, let's do. Yeah, Judas Iscariot. Or here Jesus, or here disciple of Jesus, and here the priest, or no, I mean like soldiers, commander, or here priest. Wow, guys, whoa, see. Guys, you can see the scroll one dress here. So simple, guys. So simple. No, and cab is there. Cab is there. This is the one. How it looks. Oh, it's. I have to take it in. Very big mistake.
Hey, no subscriber.
Keep quiet, man. Keep quiet.
Wait.
Okay, guys. Thank you for this.
Soldiers. After done na.
Finally, I'm in a room. Everything is finished. Our circumstance is finished, and all dreams and packets and all are going on now. Everything is sitting. Wait, I'm sitting that. Well, everything is now making removing and all taking in the truck. Actually, guys, I want to tell you something. My just a headache. I'm becoming headache, and all my full body to everything paining. You know, guys, everything paining. I don't know what to do, what not to do, but everything paining. So today I'll sleep. So first, again tomorrow we'll be going to Kolkata. There in Kolkata, in Guwahati only Kolkata, there is a national auditorium. There will be going. So whatever you did I did. Okay. Whatever else. Goodbye to everyone. मिलते हैं अगले ब्लॉग में. Okay, bye.